Al-Bashir Logistics Private Limited provides comprehensive logistics solutions, ensuring efficient and reliable management of goods and services across global supply chains. The company specializes in freight forwarding, warehousing, last-mile delivery, and supply chain consulting, offering tailored services to meet diverse business needs. With a focus on minimizing costs and maximizing efficiency, it prioritizes customer satisfaction through seamless operations. The organization envisions becoming a global leader in logistics solutions by empowering businesses with innovative, reliable, and efficient supply chain management. It aims to set industry standards for excellence, fostering long-term partnerships and sustainable growth through continuous improvement and advanced technologies. Driven by a mission to provide seamless connectivity across global networks, Al-Bashir Logistics Private Limited ensures goods are transported safely, on time, and in compliance with international standards. Its commitment to high-quality services caters to businesses of all sizes, from small enterprises to large corporations. The company operates with cutting-edge technologies, including real-time tracking systems and AI-driven analytics, ensuring operational efficiency and visibility. A skilled team with deep industry expertise supports every aspect of logistics operations, delivering consistent performance and innovative solutions. Esteemed clients commend the company for its reliability, professionalism, and commitment to excellence in logistics services. Established in the year 2019, based in Hyderabad, Telangana, it is one of the fastest growing companies in India. India 5000 Best MSME Awards 2024 for quality excellence goes to Al-Bashir Logistics Private Limited.